I'm Muntaka Shah, and this is Shah's Kitchen. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are making guacamole. We're making guacamole. Oh, there's shit in here. Get it out. Alright.
No, that's like half of the avocado skin.
Yeah. We're gonna mash it for a bit. Add some stuff in there. We've got tomato, diced cubed tomato. Gonna make it work. I love whipping it hard. I need a better masher. Sticks. There we go. This is looking pretty good actually. Shake weight. So now we've got mashed up avocado, which is gonna turn into guacamole. Okay, now we're gonna put diced tomato in here. Okay. Seriously, how do you dice a tomato? But it says cubed. How the fuck do I make cubed tomato slices? Like, meticulously make cubes?
Yeah.
Why? But it's gonna be tomato in your stomach. And slice. No mercy. And slice. And slice. And now cube. Okay, let's make it work. I wonder if this kind of cutting works. Okay, I think I got enough tomato. Then you take the tomato cubes, you drop it in, gotta mash it around. Going hard, 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 hard. It's like the world is ours, 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 ours. Going hard, 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 hard. It's like the world is ours, 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 ours.
Let's go! Tonight we're going hard, 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 hard. Just like the world is ours.
So now we've got some garlic cloves. Now we're gonna slice them and dice them. But let me see if we can cut this really tiny here without cutting anything. Oh, that's dangerous. Just going back to this, it's safer. Okay, we got the garlic ready. Let's drop the shit in. Boom. 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 Now it's time to just massage it. Just gently. Get the corners in there. The love's starting to form. It's salsa time. It's salsa time. Let's add in a bit of salsa to this guacamole. Mix it around just a bit. You want the ingredients mixed just right. You gotta level it off. Just right. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's get it in there. Alright. Let's mix this in. Almost there. Now we're gonna add a dash of lemon juice here. This might be too much. It might be too little. I don't know. We'll taste it. We'll see. I think that was it right there. Alright, we're gonna add a bit of salt here. Salt to taste, it says. Give it a few taps. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, good. Just gently. So friends, I thank you for coming along on this trip. This is guacamole at its finest. We're gonna do the ultimate taste test here. Now that is a happy ending, my friends.